Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Assess your current Japanese, vocabulary, grammar, reading speed, listening accuracy, and math ability within 1 week. Take a practice EJU full test under timed conditions to get a score baseline. This gives a starting score and reveals weaknesses in reading versus listening or math. Plan 6 months to 18 months of study, depending on baseline and target university requirements. Set a weekly goal of 15 to 20 hours, and a daily minimum of 2 to 3 focused hours to create steady progress. Divide study into 3 blocks: vocabulary/kanji, grammar/reading, and listening. Each block 45 to 90 minutes. Use SRS flashcards for 1, 000 to 2, 000 core vocabulary and 500 common kanji, reviewing until recall is instant. Do at least 30 minutes of active speaking or shadowing Japanese audio per day to improve listening and pronunciation. Use past EJU papers. Complete 2 timed sections per week and review errors in 48 hours, logging mistakes and writing corrected explanations in your notebook. Simulate exam day. Full 3, 5 to 4 hour practice test once every 2 weeks under exam conditions to train stamina and time management. Time each section. Allocate 60 to 90 minutes for language and 60 to 90 minutes for math or science as needed. Practice pacing so you leave 5 to 10 minutes for review. Target score ceilings. Aim for 200 to 250 in Japanese and 60% to 70% accuracy in science or math sections if your university needs those scores. 1 month before the test, taper study to focused review and 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.